Alright, guys, welcome to another PrimeTime Pips live stream where we go live every single day to show consistency in the market, in which you don't have to trade every day. I'm just showing you that it is possible to trade every day and be able to still make money throughout the whole entire month. It is 7:22. It's 7:22. I am super late. I'm not late trading, but I'm late live streaming. My computer, I'm sorry, it's not even my computer, it's my internet. I don't know if they're doing work on my internet or whatever that they're doing. I could not stream. Like, it would not let me stream this. It was stupid. So if it goes out again, that's why. I'm not sure if they're doing work. I actually probably got to call them and see what is going on, because this is crazy. Alright. So while I do have you guys, the only trade I'm in once again is Euro NZD. So yesterday's trade came back down, hit me out in break even, and then when I got up earlier this morning, like right around 6 o'clock, price was already coming back down into, well, I'm not really going to explain everything, but into a support level or a demand zone. Price came down, it refused to go down lower, and when we came up, we took out highs to come back down. This was prime, and I do mean prime, for me to buy, but all I did when we came back down to see if we wanted to take this out, this was based off of the 1 minute, and I hate when it does that. There we go. I almost got hit out. It was close. I almost got hit out. I'm glad my spreads are very tight. It didn't hit me out and kept going. So what I'm looking at, I got a 2.3 pip stop loss, 84 pip move. This is a 1 to 36 risk reward ratio. So yeah. We're about halfway, so I'm actually, wait, are we halfway? Do y'all think that's halfway? By the way, go ahead and slap that like button for me. But would y'all call that halfway? Yeah, I would, right? That looks about halfway. Tell me if it's halfway, chat. Talk to me, chat. Is it halfway? For shit show. My man. I'm going to go ahead and take half now. So I just took technically a 1 to 9, because if it's halfway right now, it's at 18, a 1 to 18, and I'm taking half off, so it's half and 1 to 18, which is 1 to 9. So it's 27% closed as of now. Oh, 27%. I'm putting this at break even. only reason for that was when I took partials, which was more than my 1 to 3. This is more than my monthly goal. When price came up, it made another higher low, another HL. So now when price comes back down, it has a point of struggle in which it will take some time for price to get past. Because if I highlight this whole support area, you can see all through that price was struggling and wicking. So when it gets back in there, I can expect price to start turning around and go back up. That's if it wants to go down right now. You would probably more than likely see price go down, take out these lows, get in this area, and turn around and go back up. It may be a point to leverage. We'll see. Because realistically, what I wanted to see as price came back down here is a higher high before it goes down here. Now remember, if my internet cuts off, sorry, I'm not in control. I'm gonna let that go ahead and run. I'm gonna try to find something else too before it gets too late. I didn't really see too much as I was going through it earlier. Hey, quick question. Who's all in here? Who is all in here? Oh, what up, Kate? Oh, man. I did not expect your name to pop up so soon. When are you going to schedule your one-on-one? Kate. Excuse me. Whoa, let's take that off. Can't have people seeing that. For next week, beautiful. It's time to get to working. Oh, Kate, my mic was muted. Oh, I don't even know how long it was muted. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just said so much. Oh my god. Did y'all just hear me talk about the markup that I put in the Discord? Please tell me y'all did. I said so much. Please tell me y'all heard that. Fuck. All right. So let's cancel this real quick. God damn it. I'm gonna make it 8:30 because that was like a whole 10 minutes of fucking explaining. All right. So pretty much what I was saying was the markups that I have posted inside of the Discord are going to be the exact same type of markup I'm going to be posting in there, where it was very detailed as it was. If you guys start to see more of that, that's literally when I'm looking at charts, people who've been with me for some time, and I'm just looking at it and say, oh, price is about to go up. All those markups and words that I put in there, that's literally my thinking as I look back in the chart. So when y'all are looking at those markups in there, that's literally what y'all are looking at. My thoughts, my process in reading price, telling the story previously on what happened. So I'm going to continue to try to get as many examples as I can before next year. I'm going to still do it next year too, but as many examples as I possibly can, because December is a great month to late December when we get towards Christmas. It's a great time to just stop, chill out, and just observe price. This year, I'm going to be trading throughout December, the whole exact, like everything. Like you guys are going to see me trade all throughout that. Every day on YouTube, yet again, because I made a promise to do this every day till the end of the year. And a lot of the markups that I may do here, I will turn around and make a detailed explanation on why I did what I did. So that may help, because I believe the markup I posted yesterday gives some clarity on why I would take a trade like that, and then just boiling it down from the hour chart to the 15 and then to the 1 minute will give you guys some like I said, it just gives better clarity on what am I looking at every time I go to different time frames. What am I seeing? What area am I focused on? And potentially where are we headed? I know the take profit, you guys couldn't even see the take profit in that 1 minute chart, but what mattered was the entry and just knowing the direction and where price wanted to actually go. So I'm going to try to fudge out this week with the example shit, even if I got to go back to old examples and give you examples. I would like to do it where price is now so you guys can observe it and not have to scroll back to where I actually, found it. So all the trades that I do, including this one that you see, which I think you guys already understand with me going to the 1 minute, I could still post exactly what I seen with this one so it could make sense to you guys on why I took that trade. All right. So that was about 10 minutes worth. Y'all missed all of that the first time on what I was talking about. And then we have videos. There's going to be like recaps. I'm gonna try to do this if time allows me to. But I want to start doing recaps of like trades for the week. So along with you guys getting the charts with all the words on it, which I think will be enough, I just want to do a video of trade recaps so I can y'all can hear me say it, I guess. Because some people like hearing rather than reading. I would like to be able to hit all those points of different types of learning. because there are different types of learners in here for sure. And all I'm asking in return from you guys, I'm pretty sure it's just mentorship people in there, my family, is all I ask is that you guys observe price. These pictures I'm going to be putting in here, when I do the detail like that and write down everything, it's normally not a hassle because I do it as I'm going back to read my damn self. But that takes a while for me to sit there, type all that out, and highlight certain areas and points in which you should be looking at. When y'all see that type of stuff, observe what price is doing. That is the best thing that you can do. Observe what price is doing. Look at what I'm saying, and watch it make sense. If it doesn't make sense, that's when you guys contact me. Contact me and say, hey, Brian, I didn't get this part. Why did you do this here? I'm trying to avoid that by putting as much detail as possible in the chart to where you can just read everything and look at all the areas like, oh, okay, yeah, I understand why he did that. That actually makes sense. Okay, so I'm getting more detailed. People who coming in, you're getting more information than people had, I guess you can say. This is that next step up from the first setup that I was teaching you guys. The next step is being able to read all of this stuff thoroughly. And then it's going to be another step after that. Like I said, this is a mentorship that lasts for years, that you would constantly keep learning new stuff from me, just stuff that I know. All right, so what I'm going to do, because that took a little bit longer, I don't want to call it 8:30. Should I do 8:30? Yeah. Should I do 8:30? Yeah, I'm going to do 8:30. It seems a little far though, but I'll do 8:30 and I'll be back at that time, 8:30 Central. If you're Eastern time, 9:30. But I'll be back. So if you guys got to go, like I said, I understand, but go do something else. Go do some other work, whatever, read, and just know at 8:30 Central time, I'm coming back. All right? I'll see you guys in a minute. I just seen somebody else come in there. I put letters up there, 8:30 Central is when I'm coming back. So please go do something else productive until that time. Don't just sit here and just wait for every single candle to form. I mean, unless you got that time, go right ahead. But just go do something else. Go get some water. Go take a extended blink. Something. All right. I'll be back. And it is a 30, folks. Hopefully y'all all got better in that 40 minutes. I know I did. I see this moved up pretty nicely. It literally just fucking missed us. Wow. I need that to continue. If this goes up and gets rejected and tries to go back down, I'm just gonna take profit. I'm gonna check on GN, see how that's doing. Fuck. It came back down, but it missed us and ran to our take profit. So this one we didn't really get in or hit in for that matter. We almost did. It's like a pip difference. Nope, it's 3.5 pips to be exact. Missed us by 3 pips and ran the hit take profit for 30 pips. Alright, let's delete this. That was gonna be such a good quick trade. But mentorship, if y'all are here, you guys can see what happened. It's price shot down here. I wanted to go lower because it made sense, but it just wanted to grab and dip. So if I was sitting here watching this like a hawk and seeing that price coming back up, came down, you guys know what to do with that. That could have been a buy off of this to the take profit that I had. Mic was muted again. I don't know why I keep doing that to myself. So what it looks like, I don't know if I want to wait any longer. We're already up 64 pips. Right now we're technically up a nice amount here. We were up 32, a 1 to 32 restore ratio. Half of that actually, because we took half, so that would just be 16. I'm going to just take it, even though this could still shoot up. I'm going to just take it and close it. The rest at the 16%. That was a 43% gain. What could have happened, because this was a 1 to 36 trade, it could have been 108% if I closed it when it was at that top. But instead, I got 42 for closing. 43% for closing partials, and now we're winning. Like I said, as long as I get above 9%, yep, muted myself. So we closed half when it was halfway at 27%. And then we just closed the rest for 43. But like I said, we could have had 108% gain. We're close to it, like 90-something% gain. But the reason why I closed early and able to take partials like this, because I'm still making stuff like 43% when I'm trading. Still getting 30% here, 20%, 60% here, 80% off of every trade that I'm closing partials on. So sure, I could have got 90-something, but who in their right mind is going to complain about 43%? I know I'm not. So, given that 43% mentorship, you know the minimum percentage I want y'all to get per month. That's 2 months worth of me being able to say, okay, December is covered. Cool. I don't got to worry about nothing else. So for the month, that brought us up to 417.6% gain for the month of November. Last month, I think we were at 300, I think. Yeah, I think last month was at 300. I got to go back and count the percentages on videos. Well, actually, I can see it right here. Yeah. It was like 364%. So within 2 months, it was over 700% gain for the year. Imagine owning a hedge fund or trading money for your family or something, and you get over a 700% gain. Think about these hedge funds that trade with millions of dollars per day. They just made whatever their investors would have wanted and made themselves a fat bonus for getting that so soon. And they can relax the rest of the year. That hedge fund don't got to do shit for the rest of the year. Unless it wants to. How much for the year? I'm up. I'm up close to 4,000 for the year. 4,000%. So I'll get the exact number later, but yeah, it's like 4,000 and some change. And since I'm above 4,000, that means on average, this year I averaged about 330% for the most part. I think that's divided by 12, right? 330, yeah, per month. But look at the way that I'm trading. Like, it's not that hard to obtain what I'm doing if you master what I'm doing, if you get good at it. So 4,000% for the year. Remember, you're supposed to get 20%. The 5-year plan, right? That's 60 months. That's 1,200%. I got over 4,000. That's multiple 5-year plans worth of trading. This is why I say y'all can hit that goal a lot sooner if you're really putting the work in. But at minimum, you just go ahead and do the 20%. At minimum. But hitting that 5-year goal is very doable at a faster pace. Your life can really change in a year. So that means if you started off with $1,000 and got over 4,000%, think about it. 100% is another 1,000. A 1,000% will be up to 10,000, and then you start at 10,000. 20% of that is 2,000. Keep going and keep multiplying higher and higher. Keep compounding. Realistically, after you go through all the hardship and after you go through the hardship and the learning processes and having the wrong trades and getting your strategy down together, realistically, you could become a 6-figure trader in 1 year. It is possible. That's not what we're aiming for. But sometimes aiming for that can make you a little bit greedy and lose trades due to greed, thinking that you're going to make this million in a year. You still got to play it smart. So this year was a fantastic year. I did better than last year, so that was great. Next year, I know what I got to beat. Told somebody that the other day, when I see you next year. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think that's about to go up now. Maybe. It should. But could be wrong. But like I said, for today, it was 43%. If what was it, GN that I did? If GN went good, that would have been a crazy percentage added on top of what we just did. That would have damn near been close to 100% for the day with those two. But They barely missed us and left us behind. That's cool. I'm not tripping. So, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm surprised my stream didn't go out because my internet is acting funny right now. Comcast is definitely doing something in my area. But I'm out of here. If y'all got any questions, y'all can contact me personally, and I'll help y'all out. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, actually, I'll see a couple of y'all tonight because today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, I'll see a couple of y'all tonight. And that's pretty much it. See y'all later.